It's raining. Listen to the raindrops falling, sinking into the soil, returning to the earth. Many people find raining days troublesome, carrying umbrella when go out. Your clothes and shoes may end up soaked. It is so uncomfortable and inconvenient. Let us see from a different point of view. The rain nourishes the dry earth, allowing flowers, grass, and trees to flourish. Because of it, nature becomes vibrant and full of life. I have a friend who loves raining days very much. She says that whenever she lifts her long skirt to avoid puddles, she feels like a princess. The umbrella in her hand becomes the sword of a brave knight, raised high to protect the people she holds dear. And the raindrops around her are like tiny dancers, twirling joyfully beside her and accompanying her along the way home. Life is filled with ups and downs, and many small joys are hidden within every moment. If you are going through a downpour in your life, perhaps you can choose to raise your soul and face it with courage. Or perhaps you can dance with the rain, embracing the moment and enjoy the dance. In the end, you may discover that things are not as bad as they seem. The little blessings scattered throughout life have been quietly accompanying you all along.